I'm going to show you on how to make a gluten and dairy-free peanut butter and raisin oat cookies. And what you'll need is some rolled oats, some peanut butter, some sugar, some raisins, some eggs, and some baking powder. And the first thing that we are going to do is measure our 2¼ cups of rolled oats. And with measuring things out, you want it to be as flat as possible. And it should look something like this. And we're going to pour that in. And then we're going to add the baking powder. And we need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. In this video, I'm making a triple batch, and in the description, I'm planning on putting in the recipe for a single batch. Wait, 3 teaspoons. Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong measurement. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Alright, and then we're going to mix that together until it's combined. The rolled oats and the baking powder is mixed together. It should look something like this. We need a separate bowl, and for this part, we need the peanut butter, the sugar, and the eggs. Alright, and then we need 3/4 cup of the smooth peanut butter. This measuring cup. Can I go this? Right, and then we're going to scoop it out of the jar and put it in here. If some of it is sticking to the sides of the measuring cup, then that's okay. Here, now that's a 1/2 cup. And then we need a little bit more. Alright, and it should look something like that. And we're going to pour that in. And with the peanut butter, try and get out as much peanut butter as you can. There. Put that right there. And then we need to add the sugar. And we need 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to use this again. That's a little too much. Alright, and then it's kind of a little hard to see, but it should look something like that. We're going to put our fat in. Then we need to add 3 eggs. Alright, and then the trick with these eggs so you can tap it on the side to where there's a crack like that, and then just put it like that. That's 2. And that's 3. And then we're gonna whisk that together until it's mixed together. And after these ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. And for the next step, we're going to add the peanut butter mixture to the rolled oats. I'm going to take this whisk out. I'm going to put it in there. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to mix that together. And when these ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. We need to add in the raisins, and we need 3/4 a cup of raisins. I'm gonna take this seal off. It's kind of a giant lump. And then should look something like this. And we are going to add that, and we are going to mix it together. When the raisins are mixed into this, it should look something like this. And for this part, we need the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Right? And then here. Should look something like that. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the cookie dough, and then we're going to form it into a ball. It should look something like this, and we're going to put it onto a cookie sheet. Once again. If it's a little sticky, then that's normal. Alright, and then we do that with the rest of the cookie dough, and we bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about... Cookies are done baking in the oven. It should look something like this.